everybody, it's your girl Bridgett Harrison, aka Bridgett H. Look, today we're doing, oh wait a minute, stop, subscribe, turn on the notification ding, and then, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And also, I got something good for you guys. You can text GLAM text GLAM Addict to 31996. Again, GLAM Addict, GLAM ATIK to 31996. You're like, Bridgett, why we texting that? Look, when I drop my videos, bam, you get them instantly in your phone, because sometimes YouTube notifications be like, oh, we forgot to send it. Oh, we sent it and it went to spam, or oh, it went to the junk. So guess what? You can get my videos instantly. You don't have YouTube and you want to be supported? Bam, text it. You got YouTube, you already subscribed, but you want to catch the videos when they fresh up off the whoop. There you go. Today, the first thing we're going to talk about is these eyebrows. Yes, these eyebrows is everything. Yes. They're simple and they're easy to do. I use the Tame and Frame by NYX Affordable. I use the NYX brush number 33. I use my concealer, which I'll show y'all my concealer, but it was the Makeup Forever concealer. And then the most important thing about, I use the NYX brush number 18. The reason why I use brush number 18, it has the thingy, the brow brush on the end, and the spoodle on the other end. And guess what? I got these lovely brows. Yes. And you can too. No, we're about to get started with these eyebrows. Let me tell you exactly what I have and what I'm using and how I'm going to keep these brows simple for you. The first thing I have is my NYX number 18 brush. The number 18 brush, which has your brow brush on one end and then your spoodle on the other end. Then I have my number 33 brush, which we're going to use to clean up under the brow and around the brow. I'm using the NYX Tame and Frame. This pomade is just like Anastasia's pomade, just a little bit more cost effective. It's just as good. And I still have my Anastasia Brow Wiz Pencil Caramel on deck, just in case I have some tweezers. I already moisturized my face because after this eyebrow video, I'm going to go into a straight making a whole nother video. So I like to take the spoodle, brush my brows up. I know you guys hear me say this all the time. Your brows are sisters, they're not twins. And some people are fortunate enough to have twins and make twins and get twins, and some of us just like have sisters. I'm a sister brow. I keep my tweezers on deck. If you notice I have hair up under here, it's time to get your brows done and you don't have time to go in to get your brows done, just keep you a pair of nice tweezers. These are not expensive. See the difference? This brow's clean, but this brow isn't. These brows are done. Now, I don't mess with the top of the brow now. I keep playing with the brows, so I leave this part alone. So for me, I just want to be able to give that arch. Does that happen all the time? No, but it is what it is. So what I'm gonna do is kind of go in. I'm gonna start with my pencil. Just put lip product on my eye, put on my hand, take it and put it on the brush. First thing I'm gonna do is trace my brow. So I like to start like right here, somewhat right at the arch. So when I'm stroking, I'm putting it like right on the top of the brush, because if I put it on the sides of the brush like I did at the very beginning, if I lay the brush down, it'll mess up my line. I'm gonna work my way down. Now I'm gonna start my vertical strokes here, because I want that to look natural. I want a real natural look. the good thing about your spoodle. You can take it if you have a spot that's too dark or something's going on and you want it to look different. You can take this spoodle and clean it. And remember, you can use your concealer and you can use foundation, like a color that's a step up from you. Whatever you use for your highlight, you can use to clean your brows. So I'm gonna start about where I started my line and work my way. Now I have both of my brows done, my sisters. I'm gonna take my spoodle and kind of blend out a little because I don't want the hard line here, so it'll be kind of natural looking. It'll give it an ombre-ish effect. Just a more natural looking brow because your hair does get thinner. So I like to really thin out that line. But just take your spoodle. And that's it. And this stuff I use is very affordable. Again, I use some concealer, which you can use. You can use your Makeup Forever, whatever concealer you have. This Brow Wiz, now pomade, now let me tell y'all, my hand is hard. You have to use it and get finished. Because if you don't, it's going to dry up and then your brows, like my brows ain't going nowhere. You can go to NYX and get all these products, and they have some concealers and they have some foundation at a really good price. If you're a makeup artist, they have a pro makeup artist, you get an extra 30% off on top of it. No, I'm not getting paid for this. I'm just trying to give y'all the game because you know I balls on a budget. You know what I'm saying? Y'all thought it was gel. Oh, back at it. But the brows is popping, they simple. I showed you how to use your tweezers. I showed you what products to use. I showed you some affordable products. Even though this is the end of the video, I just want to remind you guys to text Glamatic, GLAMATIK, to 31996. If you haven't, subscribe to my video because I keep things simple. You want things simple, you want things easy because we got schedules and we got places to go. We got people to see and things to do and kids to take care of, okay? And keep it simple, simple, simple. Follow me on Instagram, Bridgett Harrison_hair_MUA. Comment below, tell me what you think. If you got brow questions, if you try this, you can be like, oh, Bridgett, drop them in my DMs on Instagram and we're going to add, hashtag Glamatic, whatever you decide to do, just keep me posted, because I'm here for all of the shenanigans, because I'm the queen of shenanigans. Anyways, thank you. I'll see you guys sooner.